This is a pretty big box. That's half of it. The center's right here. It's obviously from DigiKey. But it's something I ordered on eBay, I believe. Well, I guess there's no doubt about it being an original. This is a Hakko FR-301. I have, for about 8 or 9 years, I've used a Z Delta -985. It's always been pretty good. It doesn't seem to work as well as it used to, even though I've done a lot of maintenance to it. Not repair, just maintenance. So this is pretty nice. Comes in a plastic blow case. Set of instructions. 1mm cleaning rod. Tool itself, which is fairly hefty, and a little dial here. Okay, there's a scale on the side of the handle. It's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has a range of temperatures, and they're selected by this dial here. A little stand, 2 replacement filter pads, and a filter support. And this funny looking tool, which is a removal tool for the front of the unit. It has a little replaceable tip on it that apparently you pick the diameter of. This over it. And see, it's a bayonet fitting. And I guess you can, if it's stuck, you can press on these finger pads, and you see it grabs the tube. Alright, this little button, take this whole assembly out once. See, when I squeeze this, it goes back, and release it, it goes forward. So if we pull it back the whole way, the button clicks out and it won't go forward. Inside, you have a little impact plate, and under the impact plate is a filter. I guess the theory being that if solder comes being sucked in, it will hit that plate perhaps. So we'll put that all together. Put this in place. Can't put it in reverse because this says a boss on the end of it. fits into a receiving cut. So that'll go in there. And then I guess we just little arrow even says front on it. There are no instructions or parts list other than what was shipped with it. However, on the box, there apparently are different nozzles. Okay. So I'm going to cut this out and put it in the storage case. I see here an off and an on and an in and an out. So looking at this little button here, that's the on button. We can turn it off and turn it on. So this controls the heating element. This controls the vacuum pump. And look at this. There's the vacuum pump. And this little piece of tubing comes out and goes into the vacuum pump. Pretty neat. And this cord's probably 7 foot long. It's a nice long cord. I'll plug it in over here. Turn the heater on. I've got it set not quite to 3, which would put it somewhere above 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Now my other one, the Z Delta 985, has a temperature gauge on it. But this is up to melting temperature. And there was solder over that hole. And this one. And this one. See a little bit of solder dripped in there. Now, it's still hot and it's going to stay hot until I push the button off. So I desoldered this joint here, these two joints here in this joint. Whoever assembled this board bent these leads over substantially. But there we have some capacitors. As I said, I purchased this on eBay for $250, and I got it from this Best Deal Ever 2Rs. Okay, free delivery, quick, but as I said, I received it from DigiKey. It was sold, I assume this is the Best Deal Ever guy. It was sold to this fellow and shipped to me. I did note that there's some problem here with my credit card, but that's his problem, not mine. Customers aware of him, we contacted him. Well, he's the customer, I'm not. So while I was printing up the eBay sellers page, I thought I would look at the price on DigiKey. They want $319 for it. And that doesn't include shipping. I don't know if DigiKey has free shipping over a certain amount or not. So he bought it from DigiKey. He didn't package it, DigiKey did. Their price was $318. I paid $250. It would be interesting to see what kind of deal he has with DigiKey. I did not look at his other items. I guess I should.